guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lasagna with Miss Doll's Handmade Creations, and today I come to you with Tonic Craft Kit number 53. This is for March. Finally caught up with my craft kits, and let's see what it is. Let's get right to it. All right, absolutely. Let's take out the cup. What is this? Oh my goodness, guys. We got a little bag this month. I love it. Love, love, love the extra surprises. Oh my goodness. So let's put this here. Let's look at the extra surprise first. We got a little bag. I love getting bags. Let's see if I can open it up. This is so cute. A little cute canvas bag, guys. I like using these to take my stuff to work. Oh, that bag's not too good to keep. All right. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I love it. Heart Tonic Studios. That is exactly correct. I love tonics. Look at this. This is a nice gift. I love when they give little gifts like that. It's even long enough if I want to take one of my diamond paintings with me. You know, to hold it in and put all my things in there. So this is cool. Thank you, Tonics. Ooh, I love it, love it, love it. Hang it up. All right, so this kit, let's get the little list out. I can't even remember what this is either. That's okay. That there. This one is called the Delicate Decor Gift Box. Oh, I just noticed it. They have 53 up there. So this is kit number 50. I wanted the other ones had that. I don't remember. But that's cool. Alright, so let's look at the papers. I like to look at the papers first. This handy dandy sleeve. Alright, so the first ones I like to do are the classic card. The classic card, we got buttermilk yellow. And I love that one. I have plenty of that. The next classic card is... it's up here. It's called Sea Salt Green. That's a pretty green. Sea Salt Green. Then the mirror card. Now this is a true mirror card. This one is called... uh-oh. Wait a minute, because I got two mirror cards this time. I don't want to say the wrong one. Holy moly guacamole. We're going to do this one first so I can cover it up. This one, ooh, now this is a true mirror card. And this one is called Champagne Gold. I think this is the gold. Let me look. Let me make sure. Wow. I can't even tell which one is which. The gold is so vibrant. Whoa. Okay, let me see. This looks more gold than that. So I'm going to say this one is the champagne gold. That looks more like a champagne gold, but it's more of a satin finish to me. It's called Spring Champagne Gold. Then this mirror card, whoa, is called Spring Silver. And this is a true mirror card. Y'all probably can see all my chandelier and all of that, all the mess, probably everything. Then we got a iridescent mirror card. That's what this one is. And I got some of this one. This one's the water sprite. I love the water sprite. It does different effects. Look at this rainbow, if y'all can see it. Love that one. I got several packs of the water sprite. Then for a specialty card, it's called... this one is called Double Cream. Ooh, let me make sure this is the right one. Double Cream. I think that's... well, look at that. It looks like linen. I love that. I'm going to have to order that one. I love that linen effect. Double Cream. Then we have a glitter card. This glitter card is called Lemon Sherbet. Ooh, I don't have this one. This is a new one, guys. This is a new one. It's called Lemon Sherbet. I'm getting that. I'll make sure I put that in my cart. Then we have... oh, they gave several. Then we got another card that is new. Ombre glitter card, and it's an opalescent green. I will be ordering this. Look at that. I love it. And it does not, with the glitter card, you can feel the glitter on top of the paper. With this ombre glitter, it is flat, but you can still see that glitter effect. You don't feel, it's just smooth. Oh my gosh, I'm loving the new paper. The different ombre in that green. You can see every bit. It's only one-sided, of course. I'm getting these three right here in order. And then this time we got the pattern paper. We got 8 sheets, guys. Amazing. And it's called Spring Meadow. We got 8 sheets. OMG. A4. So we got 1, 2. This one has like a very pale yellow polka dot. Then we got this one, looks like leaves. And on the back side, it is a pale yellow chevron. Then we got the stripe pattern on the back side, because these are double-sided. It's very nice. Look at that beautiful flowers. Then we have this pattern on the back side. More beautiful flowers. I love that paleness that they gave us. Look at that. We got a lot of papers this month. And double the amount that we normally get for the pattern paper. I'm loving this. Beautiful, beautiful paper. So that is what we got. And I will be placing orders for that. Putting it in my cart. So make sure I leave these on top so I can see those. Because when I'm done with the video, I sometimes forget. Alright, the next thing I like to do is the Nuvo bag. So let's see what we got this month. Alright. Amazing. So I see here we got some embossing powder. This one is called Frayed Leaf. This is a pretty green. Frayed Leaf. For a hybrid ink pad, French Macaroon. French Macaroon. I still haven't used their inks. I'm hooked on Tim Holtz, you know, Distress Oxides. But I probably, just like everything else with Tonic, if I used it, I'll probably be like, ooh, I gotta buy all the Tonic inks now. So I'm staying away from that just for a little bit. Oh, yes. And then this month we got ribbon. This is 9/16 ribbon, and it's buttermilk. Oh, I like this size too. Look how pretty, guys. And it's called buttermilk. Love, love, love. Then we got a sparkle spray. And this sparkle spray is cream gold. Wow, cream gold. I'm trying to think, do I have this or not? I probably don't. I'm still gonna leave it in the package. Then we got a stone drop. This stone drop is called Crushed Aloe. I don't think I have this one. This might be a new one. Crushed Aloe. But I'm not opening it until I see if I have it. Then we got some red line tape. Yes, this is a 1/3 of an inch. Oh my gosh, that's very thin. You know how you have 1/8 inch? This is 1/3 inch. Oh, I might have to try that. The only thing I don't like about red line tape is that darn red lining. That sucker be stuck to you, folly everywhere. But that's the same with glitter, right? So I'm definitely gonna be using that. Then we got some gems this time. Yes, honey. So this one is called Cream Quartz Square Gems. Oh my goodness. These are cream in color and they're square. Yes. I love it when they do that with the gems. Put that right there. Last but certainly not least, y'all know them. I'm loving their sequences. The way they're presenting them now. And this color, OMG. It's called Opal Cream. It's like a holographic sequence. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Yes, honey, yes. And loving the new design. Love, love, love. I'm loving the sequences. Yes. Honey, yes. Okay. So now let's get to the dies, guys. Let's see. Go ahead and put this on here. Delicate Decor gift box. Oh, and this looks like it came with instructions. What? They don't normally do that. Yes, they are finally coming with instructions, guys. That's what I'm talking about. I mean, they do it with the other box dies. They should do it with this one. So I'm glad they are doing that. It's paper. Oh, this is a super easy one to put together. This box is so cool. You cut 2 of those, put them together, squeeze it, you're done. Put your ribbon through it. Oh, honey, this is going to be quick and easy. Love that. I'll put that back in there. So, as I stated, it's just a box. And it looks like it has some pleated sides. See if there's a picture. Yes. Here it is. So, it's making this cute box here. Isn't that gorgeous? I love the pleated sides. Yes, honey. You just pinch them in. You can see it from here. And put your bow on top. That's going to be super easy. This one says, thanks for you with love. And these are embossed dies. So you emboss it into whatever you're using. And here is some other coordinating dies. Oh, I love that this has the detail. So what you do is just cut it out on one side, run it through, and then flip it over to the other side. And it'll make a continuous, die cut around. So you got 2 different embellished designs here. And then on this one, you can cut out the panels for the box, the circle, and then you got some detailing for the circle, the oval here. Same as this. Ooh, I like that. You can emboss that on the curves of the box. I love that. So pretty. And this piece here has some decorative elements. That says, I think it says thank you. This is so pretty. Love, love, love when they do that. When they put extra items on there. Of course, the stamp set that you can also do. It has one design. This is probably one of these too. Let me see. Look like, oh, no, that's different. It is not one of those designs. So that's awesome. You get a stamp one if you don't want to cut it out and just stamp it. Do it both sides. Also an oval with beautiful lacy detail. And the words say, made with love. We always can use that. To a special friend, just for you, and with all my love. Yes! Love, love, love. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. This is a beautiful kit. I love all the nouveau elements. Y'all know that, and I'm loving that they added the instruction. Even though this is just a... They would start with the simplest one, but you really didn't need instructions, but I'm glad that they're going to start. I hope that's what this means. They're going to start including the instruction. But that's kind of funny. This one really didn't need instructions. Just put the box together. That's funny to me. Some people might not be laughing, but you know, whatever. All right, so that is this month's box craft kit. Loving, loving, loving. Y'all let me know what you think, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.